Search for Dell driver download on your browser. Click on Drivers and Downloads from Dell.com. To get the right driver for your computer, you need to locate the service tag on your computer. On Dell laptops, the service tag label is located on the bottom panel of the laptop. On Dell desktops, the service tag label is located either on the top, side, or on the back panel of the computer. Enter your service tag and click Search. Click on Find Drivers link and go to Category section and choose Security. Scroll down and you will be able to see if your machine supports TPM 2.0. If TPM 2.0 version is listed, then you will be able to upgrade your machine to TPM 2.0. If TPM 1.2 only listed, and then you won't be able to upgrade to TPM 2.0.